Hi everyone and welcome. Today we will be discussing about how to synchronize Shopify with QuickBooks. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. So you can do two of the things. First of all is head over to your apps, then apps and sales channel, and there click on develop an app, and you can create a custom app and integration with synchronization of your Shopify with QuickBooks. You can click on create an app and search in here for QuickBook. You can enter the name in here, and once you do, you can click on create app, or you can head over to your official QuickBooks site and generate the key from here, and you're gonna synchronize that. If you have some, let's just say, integrations for QuickBook as well, we search that as well. So you're gonna head over to your app store. There you might have various QuickBook integrations, and you can see we have QuickBook desktop synchronization, and we have Smart View or Quick View and this type of stuff, so you can use these as well. So yeah, the possibilities are endless, and hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.